hands are weird. Like, look at my hand.
No wonder AI has problems with it.
I know. Watch us.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back. And today we have something special for you. Apparently I've been caught and my videographer Ryan has some things to show me I haven't seen yet. And you know what? You're in there too.
Not me.
Yeah. Imagine that.
Looking forward to this.
Yep. So should we take a watch?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. You had to hit play, I think.
Oh, that was funny.
Only because you weren't the one pouring it out.
I know, you probably got it in your
splash
face.
every time.
Yeah. On the camera, it surprised me even more than when it happened.
Well, I was anticipating it while it came out. I'm just wondering, you know, like, hands are weird. Like, look at my hand.
No wonder AI has problems with it.
I know. It doesn't even look like a hand.
Now, what was that about? Because I don't remember her doing that.
You were doing something and I was still rolling and Charity was just being herself and I caught her on camera and she noticed that I caught her on camera and
Yeah,
she got shy.
She looks all embarrassed at the end.
I think she likes to, she's not shy when there's no one behind the camera.
Yeah.
And then she likes to show off.
Then when the camera comes
Yeah,
out,
I think we missed one.
we missed the cup.
You want to grab the cup? I drew the Starbucks logo on there-ish, sort of.
Because you didn't want to go buy a Starbucks
I'm
drink.
not going to go buy a Starbucks drink for that.
You know what I thought was fun with that clip?
Trying to get me to throw it the right direction, not like that.
And me having to step in and coach you
Yeah.
on how to throw the cup.
I know how to throw it. Well, see, that's just him, so I don't even think that's that funny.
Beep, beep.
It's not bad.
Tastes like weeds. That one was sour.
That one about the weeds is my favorite one. So,
Oh, man.
and then you look at the camera too after you say it. It's so funny.
Do you look at it? I pretend to show you things. I don't know what I'd show you, but something. See, there's a reason the audio is not on all the time.
Yeah, everyone would be laughing.
Directing. Pretend to drink your hot chocolate. Here, let's get this forward.
Don't make faces.
It's a slow-mo. When the cameraman says slow down.
Yeah.
It's really hard to be serious sometimes. Especially when you're over there.
When we were downstairs shooting the video of you opening the cupboard,
Yeah.
the first clip,
I'm standing over there just so I can see. Just see you. On camera.
like when you were opening it, you were grinning,
They haven't seen this video yet.
and then when you're closing it, you're all sober.
That's when we put the camera in the cupboard.
You need
And
to
I
have,
knew it was in there.
you need to be like Carolyn Thomas and turn the face on when the camera comes
She's
on.
really good at that.
She's very good at it.
Can't see good.
Now this one, I was trying to figure out why you were turning your cup all around,
Well, they're beautiful handmade mugs.
and you want everybody to see
And
it.
we want you to see the right side. He's having to drink with the wrong hand today, so you can
know.
see the right side.
Well, I got two problems. It's not the hand I drink with, and then they don't want me to bump the mic, so then I gotta do this.
Don't spill it.
Is it warming up?
Well, that plug-in burner, it's not hot to the touch.
Right.
But I wasn't sure. That was my experiment.
Yeah.
And then when I did touch it, I hit the off button. And there's this camera guy in the
Yeah,
way.
there's a camera right in the way.
It's in the frame.
What's that all about?
That was fun.
Yep. That was fun.
Which one was your favorite?
Honestly, I think the very first clip at the beginning when the
the
coconut
monkeys?
pours. It surprised me, even though I was there watching it when it happened.
And I did it like 4 times.
Yeah.
Every time.
It's still funny. Just
I
yeah.
think my favorite was Charity dancing.
Yeah, that was good too.
That's funny. I guess that's all of the bloopers for now. And we're headed into 2026.
Oh my goodness.
That concludes this video. And
All right.
thanks for joining us on the farm, and we will catch you next time.
See ya.
So that was fun, huh?
Yep. You want to try that again? What?
Hi!
I'm ready now.
Are you sure?